How to check Snapchat My Eyes Only without password. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Then you can see different menus at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on this gallery icon over here, which is at the left side of the camera icon, and then tap on My Eyes Only. So here you can see there's this passcode that is required to get in. At the bottom of the screen, right, you can see the option of options. So just tap on options since we want to use it without password. So here it gives us two options, change passcode or forgot passcode. So tap on forgot passcode and here enter your Snapchat account password. So as you enter the Snapchat account password, you just have to tap on next and it will give us no other option but to enter our password of the My Eyes Only, because without that password you'll not be able to see My Eyes Only, and if you have to reset a new passcode you'll lose all your data. So technically there is no way to check Snapchat My Eyes Only without the password. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.